it's great to be with someone who's so open-minded, who understands that this is my job, and supports that. Very good. Very good siya sa atin. I was just so happy, and it's a conversation we've always had. Even when I asked him, like, do you mind? And he's like, no, it's fine. This is your job. So, it's great to be with someone who's so open-minded, who understands that this is my job, and supports that. Nanonood siya. Kung nagpapa-awkward lang talaga yung mga tumitingin sa kanya kapag meron kissing scene or whatever. Pero other than that, sobrang siyang chill. And you know what? I think it's also, even in the Philippines, dati super conservative tayo, di ba? Pero because of all the streaming platforms, nakaka-watch na sila ng iba't ibang bansa, ng iba't ibang series from different countries. People are used to it na. Hindi siya parang, oh my gosh, may gantong eksena. Wala lang ganun kasi exposed na lahat ng tao ng the different shows on the different platforms. Pero so chill. Alam kong nag-trending siya recently dun sa video niya, di ba? Ganun siya ka-chill. And I need a chill person to my crazy. So I think kaya kami nagko-compliment kasi sobrang magka, iba kami. So it works.